a collection of numbers in rows or rows and columns. Okay, matrix is a collection of a number uh, in rows or rows and columns, and which is a denoted by in a square bracket. Okay, square bracket. Suppose I will write the matrix in a square bracket 2 1. Then there is an two rows and one column is there, correct? Two rows and one column. So what is the order of this matrix is two rows into one column. Order of matrix, that means how many rows and how many columns are there. Suppose I will write this matrix 1. So in this matrix there is a number of rows is 1, number of columns are 1. Okay, so order of this matrix is 1 by 1. Same thing, suppose I will write the matrix 1, 2, 3. So this one is an how many rows are there? One row and three columns are there. So matrix order is 1 by 3. So matrix is just a collection of numbers in terms of rows and columns, and we denote a matrix in a square bracket. Okay. So in a square bracket, in this lecture we start with how to do matrix multiplication of matrices. So multiplication of matrices, how to do. So there is an one rule for multiplication of matrices. Uh, multiplication of matrices, which is an suppose multiplication of matrices. So suppose there is an A and B matrix, A and B matrix. Okay, A and B matrix, and I want to multiply this matrix as A into B. But there is some one condition for this matrix multiplication. When two matrices multiplication is possible. Everyone got what is meant by order of a matrix? Yes or no? Because this definition is this condition is depend on a order of a matrix. Is everyone got what is meant by order of matrix? Yes or no? I think everyone got what is meant by order of matrix. Order of matrix means number of rows and number of columns in matrix. Okay. So for the multiplication of AB, when this multiplication of two matrices is possible, if number of number of column number of column number of column of A matrix A, number of column matrix A, number of columns of matrix A is equal to number of rows of matrix B, number of rows of matrix B. Then only matrix multiplication of two matrices is possible. Matrix multiplication of two matrices is possible when number of columns of matrix A is equal to number of rows of matrix B, number of rows of matrix B. If number of column of matrix A is equal to number of rows of matrix B, then only matrix multiplication will be possible. Then suppose A matrix has a order 2 by 2, okay, 2 into 2, and B matrix has a order also 2 by 2. Then when we check the number of rows in matrix B is equal to 2 and number of columns in matrix A is 2. So multiplication will be possible. And what will be the order of matrix remaining columns? Rows of matrix A, which is in 2, and columns of a matrix B is in 2. So AB has an order 2 by 2. Okay. Suppose I will take A matrix has order 2 by 3. Okay. 2 by 3. And B matrix has order uh, 3 into 1. Okay. So when we check number of columns in matrix A is equal to 3 and number of rows in matrix B is equal to 3. So there will be possible multiplication because number of columns of a matrix A is equal to number of rows of a matrix B. And what will be the order of a matrix A into B? Order is number of rows in A and number of columns in B. So order of AB is equal to 2 into 1. Okay. Order of AB is equal to 2 into 1. Suppose here I will take A matrix has an order 2 by 1. Okay. And B matrix has an order 2 by 3. Then here number of columns in matrix A is in 1 and number of rows in matrix B is in 2. So here they are not equal. So matrix multiplication AB is not possible. Okay, matrix multiplication is not possible. Okay. So everyone got this condition, yes or no? When multiplication is possible, please answer me. And multiplication of any two matrices will be possible. Anyone?
And if number of column in A and number of rows in B are similar.
Okay. Then only matrix multiplication will be possible. So, how to do the matrix multiplication of two matrices? First, check the condition. Then only there is a possibility to multiply two matrices. Suppose I will take a simply two matrices with 2 by 2 order. Okay. So I will take here the matrix A is equal to matrix A is equal to